Hello and welcome back to Miss Sam's phonics class. Get your notebook and a pencil and get ready to write few words. The first word is bad. Bad. Can you write bad? If you know the sounds well, you will be able to write bad. What is the first sound? B. B. Sorry. B. Bad. A. Bad. A. Bad. 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 Let's read. B-ad. Bad. Bad. Yes, it is correct. Bad. Well done. Can you write bat? Bat. B. Again. Bat. Bat and then ball. That's how we write B sound. Bat. A. A. Apple. Bat. Bat. B-at. Bat. Very good. Correct. Now it has become very easy for us to spell, right? Because we are practicing. We practice every day. Bib. Can you write bib? Very easy for you, I know. And you will write before me. Are you done? Bib. B. A. I know you are done. Bib. 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 B-I-B. Bib. Good job. Very proud of you. Can we write bag? Bag. B is the first sound. B-A. A. Bag. Bag. G is a monkey letter. It has a monkey tail. Bag. B-ag. Bag. Well done. Good job. That's how we check after writing. We read the word. And if we are able to read the word, that means our spelling is correct. Rub. Can you write? Rub. What is the first sound? Red. Ah. We must know the sounds really well. Otherwise, we'll struggle to read and write both. So, we have to spend a lot of time in learning the sounds. Rub. Rub. And I want to see how are you writing. Whatever way you are writing right now, please upload a picture of that to the community. Share with everyone. Okay, let everybody see. And I know it will be very nice. Rub. 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 Well done. Very good. So we are reading, writing first and then we are reading. Segmenting, then we are blending. So we are practicing both the skills together. Right? Yes. Can we write cab? K is the first sound. K. A. Cab. 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 B, first bat, then ball. K, ab. And D is opposite. Cab. Cab. Well done. Very good. Bed. Bed. What is the first sound? B. E. Bed. E. Bed. 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 B-E-D. Bed. See, bed is a very good spelling to remember how to write B and D. See, first B and E, then D. So it's looking like a bed, isn't it? So if I change the color, see, I can draw a bed over it. Isn't it like a bed? So remember this. Remember bed, this word. Okay, then you will not get confused with B and D. B-E-D. That's how we write. Well done. Okay, can we write bug? Bug. Very easy. B is the first sound. B-A. A. Bug. G. We know how to write G, right? And G is a monkey letter. Don't forget. A circle up and a monkey tail. That's how we write G. Bug. Bug. B-U-G. Bug. Bug. Very good. Our spelling is right. Can we write bend? How many sounds are there in bend? B-E-N-D. How many sounds? B-E-N-D. 4 sounds. So let us try writing. B. E. Ben. B. E. Ben. Bend. 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 D is the final sound. Bend. B-E-N-D. Bend. Very good. Right. Can you write crab? Crab. Crab. What is the first sound that you can hear? K. K. It's curly K. Cr. Cr. A. Crab. 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 And one challenge word, but I know it will be very easy for you because you are all super spellers, right? So the word is minibus. Minibus. Can you write? Let's try. Mini. What is the first sound? We know our sounds really well, and that is very important. And we know how to write these sounds really well. Otherwise, we will not able to write. Yes. If mini. That's why you have to give lot of time in learning the sounds. We must not hurry. Mini. B. A. Minibus. Bus. 2 words actually. Mini. Mini. Bus. Bus. Is it right? What do you think? Read one more time and then tell me. Yes? Are you able to read it? Minibus. Good job. I'm very proud of you. Well done. Now what will we do? We'll practice segmenting with the Up to 6 Phonics app.